Hola! Have you ever had tamales? They are very delicious, but especially sweet tamales. These are very popular around the holidays, but today we're going to be making some tamales de dulce for you to try at home. So let's get started. For the tamales de dulce, we're going to need 1/2 cup of manteca, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 cups of maseca, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of raisins, 1.5 cups of warm water, red food coloring, and corn husks. First, you're going to add the manteca and sugar into a bowl and mix. Next, we're going to make our masa. You're going to start by adding water into the maseca. Don't forget to add the water little by little and mix. And mix. And mix some more. And don't forget to add your raisins. Next, we're going to add the food coloring. This gives the masa a nice pink color. Add about 6 drops of food coloring. You know the drill, mix some more. After you mix the masa, add it to your manteca and sugar blend and mix some more. Next, take one of your corn husks and start spreading the masa. You're going to be spreading about a tablespoonful of masa onto the husk. Fold one side of the husk towards the middle and then over to the other. Then fold the bottom. After you're done folding the tamales, put them into a steamer pot. Add a layer of leftover corn husks over the tamales and cook for about an hour and a half. After the tamales cook, take them out and let them cool for a bit. Make a cup of café con leche and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me how much you like these tamales by leaving a comment down below. Gracias.